We are your teeth problems. And this is what each one of us means for your teeth. I am a cavity. I form when sugar and bacteria produce acid that eats through your enamel. I start invisible and small. By the time you feel pain, I have already reached the nerve. Get checkups before I go too deep to fix with a simple filling. I am tartar. I form when plaque sits on your teeth too long and hardens into a mineral crust that no toothbrush can remove. I push under your gum line, trigger and destroy the bone holding your teeth in place. Only a dentist can remove me. The longer you wait, the worse the damage. I am enamel erosion. Sodas, citrus, and acid reflux are dissolving the hardest surface in your body layer by layer. Once I am gone, I do not grow back. Your teeth become sensitive, weak, and vulnerable to every other problem on this list. Cut acidic drinks now! I am gum disease. I start as bleeding gums you ignore and progress into an infection destroying the bone in every tooth in your mouth. I have been linked to heart disease, diabetes, and stroke. Most Americans have early stage me right now and do not know it. I am tooth staining. Coffee, wine, and tobacco are burning my color deeper into your enamel every single day. Surface staining becomes permanent discoloration over time. Rinse after dark drinks and cut tobacco completely, or I will only get darker.